What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is a pre-recorded video scheduled for Thursday, December 21st. But if you are a Patreon member, you would see this video a day before, and also you're going to have access to one of our documents that we're actually going to share on our channel today. Why? Because that document is going to tell us how to become a millionaire with the BONK token. It's going to tell you how many tokens you need and also how much US dollar value you're going to have to invest in to reach $1 million. This video is very juicy, very important, and hopefully you stick around to watch the entirety of this video because it's very important to you to understand how to become a millionaire with BONK. Again, if you want all the updates regarding BONK within breaking news or further developments within the BONK token, you have to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct message, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. So let's go ahead and talk about how to become a millionaire with the BONK token. Now, I did a little screenshot, and this is going to be based off of this screenshot right here, which is based on the 1.8 price point and the $1.14 billion and the circulating supply of 60.84 trillion BONK tokens. Why is this important? Well, let's talk about it. But before we get into that, we need to talk about how much US dollars you need to invest in to get a certain amount of tokens. Now, I don't know if you've heard, but people who ordered a Solana Saga phone were airdropped 30 million tokens. Roughly at the time of this recording, that's roughly around 563 US dollars. Now, why is this important? How did we get these US dollars based on the token supply? Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is take the number of BONK tokens, which is 30 million, times the price of the token, and that will give you the US dollar cost, which is right here. So that's how you do it. So here's a great breakdown. So you invest $1,000, you'll get 53 million tokens right now. If you invest 3,000 tokens, you'll get 159 million tokens. If you invest 5,000, you'll get 266 million tokens. And then at the very bottom, which is actually quite important, if you invest $28,140, we'll get 1.5 billion tokens. Now, how do we get this? How do we get these prices? Now, as you can see down here, there's a market cap formula. Why? Because this is going to help us understand how many X returns that we're going to get once this market cap reaches a certain threshold. So say, for instance, the market cap of this token is $1.14 billion. So what happens if that reaches $6 billion? Well, we're going to talk about that. But before we do, we need to find out how we can determine the price of the token, the market cap, and the total circulation. So the market cap, this is really important. So if you look at the market cap right here, you can see that there's a formula. It says C17 times C18. So basically, what does that do? I take the token price, which is this right here, times the amount of tokens in supply, which is right here, and that will give you the market cap right here. Okay, let's talk about the details around if BONK's $1.14 billion is to flip Shiba Inu's $6 billion. Flip or meet that specific price point. Remember, $6 billion is the all-time low for Shiba Inu, and that's happening right now. So you remember your original investment? So this is either if you invested $563 or you're airdropped 30 million tokens because you bought a Solana Saga phone. Well, guess what? Your 563 would be in return on investment $3,000. If you invest $1,000, you get $5,000. You invest $3,000, you get $15,000. And then we go ahead and go to the very bottom. Remember, if you invest $28,000 and 140, you'll get $150,000. Now, how did we get to this point? Well, let's go ahead and update something. Well, basically what we did was we removed a zero. So we basically removed a zero out of the token price. That automatically helped us get to our market cap of around $6 billion, which is right here. Remember, we take the price of the token, multiply it by the tokens of circulation and supply, and that will give you the market cap right here. That's how you do it. Now, this is the nook and cranny of the video. How do you make $1 million off of BONK? So this is kind of how it works. So again, we talked about how Shiba Inu's all-time high low market cap was $6 billion, which is right now. But if you did not know, during the bull market for Shiba Inu, it went as high as $41 billion. So what if BONK decides to hit Shiba Inu's all-time high $41 billion market cap? this is exactly what would happen. Remember your original investment of 563 or your 30 million BONK tokens that were airdropped to you on a Solana Saga phone? Well, guess what? Your 563 would turn into 20,000. Your initial $1,000 investment would turn into 35. Your 5,000 would turn into 178,000. Your 15,000 would turn into 535,000. And guess what? Your $28,140 would turn into $1 million. And the most important thing is you must be wondering, well, where does the price of the token need to be in order for us to reach these price points where we can get a return on investment on this? Well, this is going to be the exact price of the token, which is 0.00067. When people say that the BONK token is going to reach 1 penny, I think people really have to evaluate and do the math themselves. Because if this token reaches a penny, then this actual market cap is going to be in the trillions of dollars, not in the billions of dollars. So keep that in mind. I don't think in reality a meme coin is going to reach that market cap of trillions of dollars. But again, anything can happen in cryptocurrency. So just keep that in mind. And I hope that this document has been really helpful for you to understand how you can actually get $1 million. So basically, if you want to invest $28,000 as of right now, and you hope that the market cap will reach $41 billion, well, guess what? You'll get that $1 million. But again, this video is not financial advice. This video is just educational and informational purposes only so that you can make the best investment decision for yourself. So again, if you want this document, if you want to be able to preview it and also use it for yourself, please join our Patreon page down below. I will provide a download link for everybody to click on, use, and figure out for themselves to best assist them in this process. And as always, we're going to be updating our community how the BONK token is doing on a timely basis. So if you want to get all those updates, you have to smash that like button, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and join our Patreon page to receive all the exclusivity around all the updates around BONK tokens, cryptocurrency, gaming tokens, and everything that we do in our personal trades. Till then, see you guys and girls next time.